In today's digital landscape, starting a YouTube channel has never been more accessible, especially with the power of artificial intelligence at our fingertips. This video will guide you through the exciting journey of launching your own channel, showcasing how AI can streamline content creation and enhance your overall experience. We'll explore various AI tools that simplify video production, from script writing to editing, making it easier for anyone to share their passion with the world. The significance of using AI in content creation cannot be overstated. It not only saves time but also boosts creativity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your message. With AI, you can generate engaging scripts, optimize your video for search engines, and even analyze viewer engagement to refine your content strategy. Join us as we delve into the ease and efficiency of creating a YouTube channel with AI. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a complete beginner, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to kickstart your YouTube journey effortlessly. Let's unlock the potential of AI together and transform your ideas into captivating videos. Step 1. Define your channel's niche and target audience. Defining your channel's niche is a crucial first step in establishing a successful YouTube presence. Start by identifying a specific topic or theme that resonates with your passions and expertise. Whether it's cooking, technology, travel, or personal finance, having a clear focus will help you attract a dedicated audience. Once you've pinpointed your niche, it's essential to research your target audience's interests and preferences. Utilize tools like Google Trends, social media insights, and YouTube analytics to understand what content is currently popular within your chosen theme. This research will guide you in creating videos that not only engage viewers, but also meet their needs and expectations. Consider how AI can enhance this process by analyzing data and providing insights into viewer behavior. AI tools can help you tailor your content to better align with your audience's preferences, ensuring that your videos are relevant and appealing. By defining your niche and understanding your audience, you set the foundation for a channel that stands out in the crowded YouTube landscape, paving the way for growth and engagement. Step 2. Create a channel name and branding. Creating a memorable channel name and cohesive branding is essential for establishing your YouTube identity. Start by using AI tools to generate creative channel name ideas that resonate with your niche. These tools can provide unique suggestions based on keywords related to your content, helping you find a name that stands out and captures your audience's attention. Once you have a name, focus on designing a logo and banner that visually represent your channel. AI graphic design software can simplify this process, offering templates and design elements tailored to your theme. Choose colors, fonts, and images that align with your niche and evoke the right emotions in your viewers. Ensure that your branding reflects your niche and appeals to your target audience. Consistency is key. Your logo, banner, and overall aesthetic should create a unified look across all platforms. This not only enhances your channel's professionalism, but also helps viewers instantly recognize your content. By investing time in thoughtful branding, you lay the groundwork for a strong online presence that attracts and retains subscribers. Step 3. Plan your content strategy. Planning your content strategy is vital for maintaining consistency and engaging your audience effectively. Start by utilizing AI tools to analyze trending topics within your niche. These tools can provide insights into what viewers are currently interested in, allowing you to create relevant and timely content that resonates with your audience. Once you have identified popular topics, create a content calendar to organize your video releases. This calendar will help you plan ahead, ensuring a steady flow of content while allowing you to balance different themes and formats. Consistency in posting is key to building an audience and keeping them engaged. Incorporate various content formats into your strategy, such as tutorials, reviews, or vlogs. This diversity not only keeps your channel fresh, but also caters to different viewer preferences. For instance, tutorials can provide valuable information, while vlogs can offer a personal touch that fosters a connection with your audience. By planning your content strategy thoughtfully, you set the stage for a dynamic and engaging YouTube channel that attracts viewers and encourages them to return for more. Step 4. Generate video scripts and outlines. Generating effective video scripts and outlines is crucial for delivering engaging content. Start by leveraging AI writing tools to draft your scripts. These tools can help you create compelling narratives that capture your audience's attention while saving you time and effort. With AI assistance, you can brainstorm ideas and refine your messaging to ensure clarity and impact. When structuring your videos, aim for a clear format that includes an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. Begin with a hook that grabs viewers' attention, followed by the core content that delivers value. Conclude with a summary or call to action, encouraging viewers to engage further with your channel. It's essential to tailor your scripts to your audience's preferences. Consider their interests, language, and style to create a connection that resonates. By understanding what your viewers enjoy, you can craft scripts that not only inform but also entertain. This thoughtful approach to script writing will enhance viewer retention and foster a loyal community around your channel. With well-structured and engaging scripts, you'll be well on your way to producing high-quality videos that stand out in the crowded YouTube landscape. Step 5. Produce and edit your videos using AI tools. Producing and editing your videos effectively is key to creating high-quality content that captivates your audience. Start by using AI video editing software to streamline the editing process. These tools can automate repetitive tasks, such as cutting clips and adjusting audio levels, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your video. Incorporate AI-generated visuals or animations to enhance engagement. These elements can make your videos more dynamic and visually appealing, helping to illustrate complex ideas or add a fun twist to your content. By integrating these features, you can keep viewers interested and encourage them to watch until the end. Additionally, optimizing video length and pacing is crucial for viewer retention. Analyze viewer behavior to determine the ideal video length for your audience and adjust your pacing to maintain interest throughout. A well-paced video keeps viewers engaged and encourages them to return for more. By leveraging AI tools in your production and editing process, you can create polished, professional videos that resonate with your audience and elevate your YouTube channel to new heights. Step 6. Optimize your videos for search and engagement. Optimizing your videos for search and engagement is essential for increasing visibility and attracting a larger audience. Start by utilizing AI for keyword research to improve your SEO. These tools can help you identify relevant keywords and phrases that potential viewers are searching for, allowing you to incorporate them naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Creating compelling thumbnails and titles is another critical aspect of optimization. Use AI suggestions to design eye-catching thumbnails that stand out in search results and entice viewers to click. A well-crafted title should be both informative and intriguing, sparking curiosity while accurately reflecting your content. Engaging with viewers is equally important for building a loyal community. Respond to comments on your videos and encourage discussions to foster a sense of connection. Additionally, utilize community posts to share updates, polls, or behind-the-scenes content, keeping your audience engaged even when you're not posting new videos. By optimizing your videos for search and actively engaging with your viewers, you can enhance your channel's growth and create a vibrant, interactive community around your content. Conclusion: creating a YouTube channel. Using AI, in this video, we've explored the essential steps to create a successful YouTube channel using AI. We began by defining your niche and target audience, followed by crafting a unique channel name and branding. Next, we discussed the importance of planning your content strategy and generating engaging video scripts. We then moved on to producing and editing your videos with AI tools, optimizing them for search and viewer engagement. Throughout this process, consistency and engagement have proven to be vital. Regularly posting content and interacting with your audience fosters a loyal community and keeps viewers coming back for more. Remember, the more you engage with your audience, the stronger your channel will become. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe for more insights and tips on growing your YouTube presence. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Your support helps us create more valuable content and reach a wider audience. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.